guys, welcome back again to my channel, and it's me, Evelyn again. Today's video is going to be unboxing some stuff that I buy from Shopee. As we know, important for my life after care of my skincare is doing manicure. Talk about manicure, I also remember my friend from Surabaya, Sparkling Nail Art. So you can check her Instagram. And if you want to buy any merch, I will leave everything in the description box, okay? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click that little bell right next to the subscribe button, I think, so you can know all my future uploads. Thank you so much. First unboxing, I think this one first because this is a big one, and I really like this boxing because I have in this box we have a lot of information. An example is Indonesia have a lot of 749 language. This is the first time I know this information. And then go to Toraja, and then just like the information that I like, just a simple. Okay, we try to unboxing this first, okay? Alright. And don't worry, I already make a clean for the box too, because I don't need mask, right? Okay. Oh, I have this, and if you check what is this, ta-da! Look at that. It's not a phone. It's good. It looks like a phone. No, it's not a phone. It's a UV for nail. See, we have that too. Mini LED. Keep away from children and Gravida. What is Gravida? Avoid working in this wet place and blah 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 blah. So we check that later. And a second. Which one? Okay, that one first. This one. Open it. Of course, we need scissors. We have a bubble wrap. I always like a play bubble wrap. Want to play a bubble wrap. Okay, open it. And we have a 3 product for here. Of course, we have 4. What is this? This is for a metallic nail art. You have a gold and a silver, and this one is a gel. This is so tiny. This is a gel, and we have a glue nail. We have a glue, and the last is OP. Open it. That one. OP. It's a vitamin for nail. And the third one. Okay, check this out. Of course, with the scissors. Now we might see bubble wrap again, and the color is black. Ooh, I want to play after this. It's really nice. And check this out. We have this. Ooh, you can see that it's an ocean. You can see it's an ocean. I love that. And a second one is a moon. It's a star. Something like galaxy. And the third is manicure set. See? It's really nice. So we have 3 over there. And actually I buy not a manicure product. Let's check, because my mouse is already broken, so I buy it. It's not so expensive. Really, I I hope it's work. I don't know because it's not so expensive and so tiny. I have a Logitech one but already broken, so I buy this. And next video we will try all this product, and especially this one. Hello, what's up? Yes, and this. So next we will try about the Galaxy manicure, I think, because I already have a purple, right? A purple color. Let's check this. Yeah, it's a purple. So after we try a Galaxy manicure. Thank you so much for watching.